Hello everyone. Today's date is 7th of October 2021. My name is Akash Babar. Let's discuss our today's video topic. Public static void main string args. Why it is used like that? So let's discuss in details. So in Java or in JVM, it is used like that public static void main string args array. So in that, why it is used like that? So if we uh, if we uh, if we see uh, if we see main, if we see a word main, it is why it is used same word is main everywhere. So if we change that word main to anything like anything else, then JVM not compiles or not execute the main method. Why it is because JVM is configured like that, or Java is configured like the sequence or the every word used like that. So because of this 99.9% JVM uses same like that. In 0.1% how it is possible, we need to configure again in Java. If we configure again in Java, at that time only it is possible to use another word for main or anything. So generally we use same like that. So if we see each and every thing in detail, why we use a public word. Actually public is access modifier because we created main method that is accessible outside the class or outside the package. So we need to give it is as a public. There are four types of access modifier. First one is public, then private, default, protected one. These are the access modifiers. Access modifiers is used to give the scope of the class or package. So because of this we uses only public access modifier. Then we will see why static word is used for main method. Static word is used for main method because when we use static word, we don't need to create an object in main method. If we can call or invoke main method without creating an object. So because of this static word is used. There are certain keywords are used in Java. In that, the first one is static, final, abstract. So these are the words used. In that we only use static for main method because of we don't want to create an object to invoke the main method. So that is the function of the static keyword. Then we will see why void keyword is used. So void is in Java, when we create any method, there is return type of that method. But when we use void keyword, there is no return type for a void. So in JVM we don't need a return type for main method to access the method. So that's why we use void. Then we will see main. So main is a word because we can override any method to that main method. Because of this we use main method. So if we see, we have to write each and every word. It is same like that. We cannot mistake in spelling. Because if we take silly mistake of a spelling, then Java will show an compiler error or execution error. So because of this we need to spell every word in details or in incorrect manner. Then we will see why it is used like in bracket string array args. Because we call from is actually when Java executes a program, we need to call a certain data from user. At that time we uses certain group of strings. So because of the certain group of strings, we uses we uses array, string array, and with the help of argument, with the help of argument we need to call that string array. So with the help of this string array args, we uses like that. So that is the main function of that string array args. So if we see one example, why we uses like that, we uses like that. If we sequence of the public static void main interchanges, there is no error, any error will be shown, because if we can interchange a sequence of public static void main, we can use we can use static public void main, we can use public static void main, again we can use string array args, we can also use string args array. So in Java it can be acceptable to uses of like that. So that's all for today. Thank you.